This is an audio production quick take by Marwak. The content that follows is from the ebook Voiceover on Linux, which explains how to create professional voiceover products using Linux and associated open source software. Today's topic is removing noise from your audio. Even the quietest studios have some noise. Although acoustic tiles and other sound dampening measures are very effective, there's always going to be some airflow from at least the ventilation system. Now let's remove some noise from an example sound clip. I deliberately recorded this test segment with an air conditioner unit running behind my workstation. As you can see, the room noise is almost half as loud as the audio, with me optimally close to the microphone. And here's what we can do about that. We start by looking at the noise part of the recording. Observe the level of the noise versus the program audio. Today's topic is removing noise from your audio. It's always a good idea to capture a few seconds of no program sound to get a good sample of the background noise. To get a good capture of the noise, it's useful to peak normalize the entire audio clip before processing for noise removal. Normalizing to a peak of about -2 dBFS puts the strongest audio sample to near the top of the scale, while still leaving a couple of dB headroom. The result is usually noticeable. Today's topic is removing noise from your audio. You start the two-part noise reduction process by selecting an exemplar sample of just the noise. When you open the noise reduction tool on the selection, the pop-up window has upper and lower sections. The three slider bar settings are: amount of dB the noise is reduced, sensitivity of what is considered noise, and how many frequency bands to reach into looking for noise in the noise sample. These settings control how aggressive you want the noise reduction to be. In step 1, you select the noise sample, and then you select the Effect Noise Reduction menu path to get the pop-up window shown before. You then click the Get Noise Profile button in the top of the pop-up window. Then click anywhere into the audio to deselect the selection, and open the noise reduction menu again, this time to null out the selected noise profile from the entire audio clip. The result is greatly reduced noise by the level of aggressiveness you'd set earlier with the slider bars. Observe that there's still some noise there, and it's now time to run a second pass of noise reduction. Now that's looking better. Only a few scattered artifacts remain of the noise. Let's hear the difference. Today's topic is removing noise from your audio. The noise reduction effect in Audacity is excellent for steady noise sources such as an air conditioner. Not so much, though, for emergency vehicles screaming down the street or a loud meeting or party in the conference room next door. You also need to be careful not to take too big of a bite with each noise reduction pass. If you set the slider bars to be overly aggressive, the noise reduction process will eat into your program audio itself and cause it to sound hollowed out. That's why it's well worth the time to do multiple passes with noise reduction. This has been an audio production quick take by Marwak. For more details on using open source tools for audio processing, see the ebook Voiceover on Linux by Mark Caldwell Walker.